Hello, and welcome to my die-cast eyes and ears for my haul today. That I got like 10 Hot Wheels today. So we're going to start with this one right away. It's called Kick a Cart. Hot Wheels Ride-Ons, 2 out of 5, and 23 out of 250. Let's look at it. It comes in white. Look at the tires. And it has a glittery green in there. Let's look at the hood. Oh, nice decal. Nice decor. You can see. Wow, we got some seat belts. Ooh, safety first. Got a steering wheel. Some afterburner turbine, something or other. Right there. Let's look at the bottom. Let's see what they got. You got a little bit of some kind of action down there, but no axles. Ooh, kick cart. Yeah, look at that art. 2025. It has that anime look background or the hyperspace. Engage #1. Next. And the next one, it's called Kowloon Hypervan. I'm not going to say it again. And Hot Wheel Metro, 1 out of 5. And it's 6 out of 250. Look at that art card. Wow. Man, looks like the van from Spaceballs. No, I'm kidding. The Winnebago, huh? Let's look on the side. The paw prints. Look at the tires. Look at the windows. Pet transport with the Hot Wheels emblem. More paw prints. Let's look at the front. Got a steering wheel on the other side. Must be from England. And there's a seat. Got seats. I look like a person molded in there. Don't know. Seats. Let's look at the back. Somewhat detailed for a door handle. And little mufflers on the bottom. Not bad. Well, yeah. 2 mufflers on top and some details on the bottom. Cool. Oh, look at that. No axles, really. Oh, yeah, kinda. But it got some, like, mufflers. That's cool. Like that detail on the bottom. Yeah. Next. And the next one is called Bogzilla. Dun, dun, dun. Hot Wheels Ride-Ons, 1 out of 5. 22 out of 250. And it comes with a special feature. You're going to have to look it up yourself if you want to see. Okay, here's the green. You have a silvery gray paint job to it with the Hot Wheels emblems right there in the middle. Nice wheel spokes or whatever. Look at that front. Looks like if you're mad. That's cool. Look at the top. Comes with a steering wheel. Some seats. No seatbelt. And look at the back. It's kind of okay. Has some indentions and stuff. Let's look at the bottom. Ooh, axle. Axle action. Oh, snap. Here we go. Bogzilla made in Malaysia. That's awesome. You got to give credit where credit is due. That is awesome. I like that little glittery pixie dust. Yeah. Next, here we go. And the next one is called Key Swap. It's Hot Wheels Art Cars, 1 out of 10. New casting for 2025, 11 out of the 250. Let's look at the art card. Yeah, he looks mean too. Let's look on the side. Hot Wheels emblem. Some Tetris type, nachos, Doritos type designs. And it says Matt Gabe Designs. Look at that side. Look at the wheels. Ooh, like chrome blue. That's awesome. And look at the front. That is awesome. Look at the front. Yeah. Look at the driver's side. Looks like again from England. Got seats. Got seat. Oh, look, it has a whiskey on top, as in W. It spells out something with the rest of the cars if you collect them and put them together. Oh, kind of chromy on the bottom. And it has some axle action. Look at that. Chrome on the bottom. That is awesome. Not bad for $1 something. $1.18, $1.25. Wowzers. Next. And here we go for the next one. It's called a 73 Honda Civic Custom. Combat Kings, 4 out of 5. 90 out of 250. It must be a 2024 because the design in the background. Maybe. Or it could be 2023. I don't know. But it's sure fun. Look at that pixie dust. That teal color, blue-green color. And it has the Hot Wheels emblem on the fender right there. That's cool. 73 Honda. Look at that hood. Oh, look at the front. Has some nice indentation details. Ooh. You got some seats. Got the top. You see that glitter? Oh, snap. That is cool. Pixie dust, man. Yeah, look at that. Wowzers. That's cool. Oh, snap. You got some axle action. That's good. Honda Civics Custom, made in Malaysia, 2022. Hot Wheels emblem. That's cool. Nice art. Next. And the next one. Oh, this one's good. I'm no hollowback boy. It's called a Hollerback. Must be how do you say, a dedication and tribute to Gwen Stefani. Hot Wheels, Hot Trucks, 3 out of 10. New casting for 2025. 42 out of 250. New casting for 2025. It's almost like 3D. Ooh, now let's look. Look, it looks like a Yeti. Abominable snowman or something. Not snowman. Well, whatever. Or a Bigfoot. Number 63. Sounds like an offensive lineman. And then the front. Look at that detail. Tinted red windows. Yeah. Let's look at the top. Nice chrome on the side. Yeah. A little chromey. Let's look at the bottom. It has some kind of details. No axles. This says Hollerback. Hot Wheels 2024. Made in. Oh, it just says Malaysia. It doesn't say made in. Oh, sookie sookie. Wow, that looks good. Next. No, I don't do videos with pegging. I just do videos what I collect for the day. I normally collect about 10. Bring it in, do a video. Following day, go out there and search again. It's for the hunt. The Mini Cooper Sierra Challenge as number 23. For Michael Jordan. No, I don't know. And let's look. Ice Rally. It has a little snowman. Look at that. Hot Wheels. Look at the card. Oh, but it has a truck on it. Interesting. And it's 2 out of 5. That's interesting. Thought normally they put the vehicle on top. Oh, that's an art card. Okay, well, let's look at the hood. A little chromey, black. Look at the details up front. Yeah, it has a nice grill. And two mufflers on the bottom. The details are nice. Windows are no, the windows are normal. It's just the seats are bluish. Yeah. Next. Here we go. Oops. Malfunction. Sounds are just for your health. Now it's a BMW Mike 3 wagon. Hot Wheel modified, 10 out of 10. New casting for 2024. And it's 138 out of 250. The art card looks nice. Wow. Let's look at the side. Okay, the tires are like golden. Yeah, nice pinstripes. Goodyear, Motul, Byston. Another emblem of Hot Wheels right there. Yeah. That's not bad. Double leg down on the bottom. Comes with batteries? No, I don't know. Look at the front detail. You got the lights, the grill, the bumpers have little lights. Let's look at, oh, it has the Beamer emblem right on the hood. That is cool. That is cool. That is cool. You see, you don't see this on the YouTube. They're too busy showing the most glittery car or whatever. But here you get to see the details. And you got to give love to all of them. You got to treat the packages nicely. You can't just toss them out there. Other collectors are collecting, not just you. That's the back. That's okay. A little mufflers. Ooh, found it. And then there's some axle action. Axles. Ooh. See, made in Malaysia. It says it. Unlike the other one. That's cool. The tires are nice too. Next. And here we go. This is my, how do you say it? The second best that I like from my 10 that I picked up haul. So it's called Rise and Climb. Hot Wheels Sports. 5 out of 5. And 146 out of 250. Look at that art card. That's nice. Wow. Ooh. Let's look. Oh, look at that. I like that decal, that little flames in a circle. That looks nice. Look at the bike rider. Oh, that's so cool. Ah, the back. Oh, snap. Look at that. Bicycles in the back. So I guess he Rise and Climb. I guess he's a mechanic for bicycles. Reminds me of when I used to work at Disney for the last 19 years, 18 years. Coordinating for bike events, marathons, and all that. Ah, snap. Getting up early in the morning. So it says quick Hotel Whiskey Charlie, Hot Wheels something, and mechanic. That's nice. And little flames with the wrench. For a moment there I thought it was Pac-Man. Checkered Hot Wheels emblem on the car. Let me see how close I can get. Focus, Danielson. Focus. Oh, okay. Well, it's a Hot Wheel emblem, but it doesn't. Interesting. And look at the front. It looks mean too. Let's look at the hood. Fastest bike repair. Exactly. That's what it was. Oh, look. There's a circle flame up there. You see it on the upper left? That's cool. And the bike rider. That's the kicker right there. I like it. Yeah. Checkered. Oh, the seats are nice. The hood is nice. The roof. Mechanical. Got the steering wheels. Look at the tires. Gray line. Oh, snap. Oh, a seat right there in the rear window. Let's look at the bottom. Oh, we got some axle action. Oh, snap. Rise and Climb. Made in Malaysia. Cool. Now, for my favorite out of the 10 that I purchased. Ta-da! It's called the Purple Passion. 24 Hotel Whiskey Art Cars. Oh, look at that. Holy snap. Cool. I like that emblem of Hot Wheels. I like that flame circle flame on the side. It's a Hotel Whiskey Art Cars. That's Hot Wheels Art Cars. 7 out of 10. 151 out of 250. Look at that. That's like plaid. Reminds me of Smallville. CK. Oh, and the top says India. I wonder what this year's what it spells out. Oh, look at the bottom. You got like transmission, axle. That is so cool. Made in Malaysia. Did I say axles? They got axles. So cool. Oh, look, and there's this. I just found a collectible treasure hunt vehicle. Oh, so this is a treasure hunt. Oh, snap. Arr, mateys. I feel like a pirate when we go for the hunt for treasure. Yes. Now, this is my 10th, but I did get an honorable mention. It's from Maisto. It's a Adventure Force. It's only made for Walmart when it says Adventure Force. But the kicker is the company. The company does stuff for dollar stores and their own. Maisto. Look them up. They got some nice looking big cars, all different sizes, and they're nobody to mess with. It's just that people don't know this Adventure Force is like 90 something cents, but it's made by a real company. It's up there. 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. Sounds like some sort of series that I kind of watch. A Wannabe Rapper was on it. Don't remember the full title. But there it goes. Axle. Mufflers. Axle action. You see? Not bad for 90 something cents. Wow. Look at that. Look at the wheels. Look at the chrome. Wowzers. Look at the front. Not the recycling thing. The symbol, no. Let's look at the front. The grills too. Chromey. Shoot. Bang. There we go. Adventure Force, baby. Honorable mention. And there we go. So, adios, nos vemos, te veo. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, sayonara. May the force be with you. May the swords be with you. Live long and prosper. And nighty night, my little moon doggies. And let me get that button. Ka-chow, swing.